JavaScript is an object-based language. So I think C Sharp and Java. I think you know that Java and C Sharp both are object-oriented programming language. But JavaScript is an object-based language. What is the meaning of this? Actually, all object-oriented programming language has a system, object-oriented programming system. We handle all object types of language through the object-oriented programming system. It's provide us different concept like object, class, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, etc. Okay, but all languages are not supported all uh, concepts. Okay, so JavaScript does not support inheritance. So we can only work on object and class. We cannot perform inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction like concept of object-oriented programming system. It is called JavaScript is object-based programming language. Okay, so we will work on object and class, but we cannot work on inheritance and other concept of object-oriented programming system. Okay, so how to use JavaScript? What is the use of JavaScript? Actually, to the JavaScript, we can perform different types of operation, and we have not any alternative of JavaScript on front end. Mostly we use JavaScript using front end. So suppose you want to perform calculation, validation, if you want to change the content of any web page, so through the JavaScript we can change it. Okay, and jQuery is also a library of JavaScript. Bootstrap is also a framework of JavaScript and CSS. And React.js is also library of JavaScript. Angular is also a framework of JavaScript. So we have not any other alternative of JavaScript in front end. We can use multiple languages in backend like Java, Python, C Sharp, uh, and PHP in the backend. But in front end, we have only one language, that is JavaScript. So JavaScript is a very important and most popular language in computer front end. Okay, so suppose we want to how to use JavaScript in web pages. So, in last session we have done CSS. So for CSS we use a tag style, and within the style we can write the code of CSS. Same as if you want to use JavaScript in web page or in HTML page, so we have a tag named with script. Within this script tag, we can write the code of JavaScript. Okay, we can also create a separate file for JavaScript and include in web page, but simply we can use through the JavaScript tag in web page or HTML page. Okay, style tag we can use only in header section, but script we can use in header section or in body or in both section. Okay, so now I'm going to create a simple example of JavaScript. So for this purpose, saving this file js1.html in a folder js1. Okay, now I'm going to execute this. This is a file js1. Welcome to JavaScript. Okay, now I'm going to use JavaScript. So JavaScript provides us, first of all, use script for alert message. Script provides us a function alert. So you can see this. It will show this type of alert dialog box, and you can give any alert message to the alert message. Okay. Okay. If we want to display any content on web page, so for this purpose, document. This is the whole page we can represent to the document. So document dot, we have a method name is right, and here save this file. Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to JavaScript. Okay, you can see this. Okay, good evening. It's showing here. Okay, this is very simple. Suppose we want to calculate any types of calculation. It is also possible here. Like so, I think you know C language and sorry, C sharp and Java. So if we want to declare a variable, so we use like different data types like integer, float, double, character, like this. Both language like C sharp and Java, C sharp and Java. But in JavaScript, we have not need to declare any data type for a variable. Okay, we use only var, let and var. Where let is used for only local declaration of a local variable. But where we can use local and global, all types of variable we can declare through the var. So here I have declared like suppose num1 is equal to 10. Okay, suppose. Okay. So here we have not need to declare the data type. We can store any type of values. Compiler, according to values, it will implicitly declare the data type of this variable. We have not to declare the data type of any variable. Okay, like suppose here, I'm going to use var num2 is equal to 20 and var is equal to, sorry, var total is equal to num1 plus num2. We can perform calculation. Okay, here and we want to display document dot write plus we can execute this. Hello everyone, we doing total 30. We want to display in next line, so here we use br tag. Then again okay, if you want to show any types other values like suppose price is equal to 23.56. Okay, decimal value. Suppose we want to use decimal values. We can also use this. Comment out, right? Price plus. Hello everyone. Good evening. Price. Okay. Same as we can use any data type, any type of data type, no problem. Like here, var name is equal to. So actually, I want to say that we have not need to specify the data type of any variable. Okay, we use only var. To the var, we can declare any variable values. According to values, compiler implicitly declare the data type of variable. So the data, all types of data types supported by JavaScript, no problem. We can use string, we can use number, we can use boolean, we can use real numbers, any types of value we can perform in JavaScript. Okay, only through the var. We only use var or let. Let is used for local variable and var is used for local and global. Both type of variable we can declare through the var. Okay, now so these are the I'm removing this. Okay, okay, it's okay. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, suppose here I have declared the values number is equal to 10. Okay, but this is hard coded, means fixed output it will show like
Uh,
it's shown here. Suppose we want to show
Hello.
number. Yes, hello.
So yeah, what's the meaning of hard coded? I mean, like,
Means that
why
is a
we
fixed
use that
value. That is a fixed values.
fixed
10 and
value?
20. It will show. It will show always 30. Okay, but we can also get the value from the user end. So I will try this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, like first value is equal to plus number. Second value num2. Again, I'm going to execute this program. You can see the first value, second value, and third value. Total. Okay, but suppose we want to get the value from the front end or from user. Okay, it is also possible. We can use here. We have another method. Name is prompt. Here, first value. Okay, same as second values. Okay, again, I'm going to execute this. Prompt enter first values and prompt enter second values. Alert, what is the mistake here? It's auto not showing here. Alert, hello. What happened? It's working.
It's 21 hours.
Num1 is equal to prompt enter first. Oh, sorry for this. Okay, hello. First values. Suppose here I have input 100. Click on OK. And second value 200. Click on OK. You can see first value 100, second value is 200, and the total is 100 and 200. So actually, here it's working as a concatenation of two strings because prompt method returns string values. So we have need to convert in numeric values. So for this purpose, we have another option, parse int. Hello, first values 100, second values 200, and you can see this, it is showing 300. So we can convert that string value in integer. Okay, for this purpose, we have another method, that is parse int. It will convert that string value in integer. Okay, so after conversion, we can calculation it. If we are not using this, then it will work use as a string. Then it will perform concatenation. Okay.
So we use parse int for string
If you
values.
want to
No,
calculation, if you
numeric
want to,
values.
yes, numeric values.
Yes.
Okay. Same as suppose suppose we want to convert in decimal values. So we have another method, float, parse float. Okay. So save this file and I'm going to execute this. Okay. Here, first values, like suppose 10.45. Okay. Then 45.78. We can input any decimal values. You can see this first value 10.45, second value is 45.785. Okay.
Okay.
So we can convert, we can type cost in float and integer value, and after that we can calculate it. Okay. After that, suppose we want to perform different type of calculation, like where fraction is equal to num1 minus num2, and is equal to num1 num2, where is equal to num1 divided by num2. Document dot write fraction plus sub multiplication division. Multiplication MUL division DIV. Okay, first values. Suppose here 10.45, second value 34.56, and you can see it's okay. 1 minute. We can display in different line. Okay. The first values 56.767, 89.90, and it will perform. Okay. First value, second value, total, subtraction, multiplication, division. So we can perform different types of operation through the JavaScript. Okay. Hello.
Hello. Yes,
Yeah.
okay.
It's okay.
Yes.
Suppose enter radius. Suppose you want to find out circumference or area of a circle. So we can input enter radius of circle. After that, we want to perform calculation like suppose area is equal to pi r square h. So we have a math.py into here we can use here I've declared or num. Okay, no problem. Num square, num into num. After that, area of circle the radius of circle. So here suppose 7 is the radius of circle. So you can also print the area of circle, of circle. Okay, radius of circle 40, and this is the area of circle. Okay, so we can perform any type of calculation in JavaScript. Okay, hello,
Okay. So yes.
Yes.
Rohit and any other Rohit and Brijesh. It's okay.
Yes.
Jyoti,
Yes, got it.
okay, Jyoti and
Yes.
Suman. It's okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Any doubt? Any problem? Any queries?
So far, I'm good.
Sorry.
I'm good so far. No
Okay,
queries.
okay. Thank you. Okay, we can also perform conditional operation. Suppose we want to take the decision on the basis of any situation. Conditional statement. So JavaScript provides us the different conditional statement like statement, if else statement, if else if statement, and nested if statement, switch statement. Okay. So I think you know that if you know C language or any other language, C sharp, Java, so you know this conditional statement. But Suman and Jyoti, are you know about this?
Yes. Uh, yes, a little bit.
Okay,
Yes, I'm aware.
okay. So we can show the some example of these statement. It's okay.
I want.
Okay. So now I'm going to show some examples of this statement. So here, so to enter edge. Okay. And now is greater equal than 18. If condition is true, it will show Okay. It's 21. Congrats. You are eligible for it. If you want to also execution after if condition false, so here we can use else. Okay. Well, sorry, you are not eligible. Okay. So we can use conditional statement also like this. Okay. So I can give you some questions. You can try for this. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
1 minute. So, so here you can see this. There are some questions like print hello advanced Java compile. Okay. And equations like these types of equation like SV is equal to U plus AT is equal to UT plus half AT square. Like you can write the program of these equations and write a program to read a number of 2 digit and print in reverse. Okay, here write a program first number is greater than then print true otherwise false. Okay, so you can try these questions. Do you know about these questions? Any queries in these questions? Hello, I'm audible.
Yes.
Yes, yes, you are.
Um,
You have to read.
so these are like data structures, right?
No, it's very simple questions.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just like in last example, I have done, suppose find out the area of circle. So same as here, uh, v is equal to u plus at. V is a final velocity, u is a initial velocity, a acceleration, and t and time. So we can input the value of initial velocity and acceleration and time, and then we can calculate the final velocity. The same as we can perform this operation. And here, if we will input 72, it will should be show 27 reverse of two-digit numbers. And here, like first value is 10, second value is 30, so it will show false. Otherwise, if first is greater than second, it will show true. And here, uh, if we will input the first value is 10, second is 20, 30, so it will show 30 and 10. Exchange the values, swap the values. Okay. And the third assignment I have here. These are the questions like write a program to check the given number is even or odd, positive, negative, or zero, character capital or small. So you can here, these are some questions. Please try to complete these questions. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So please try to execute, try to write a program and share me. Like suppose of these questions, of this question only. Write the program
Okay.
of this
I
question.
need to write something.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
I have shared this question or not? Where is file?
You have.
No.
No. Okay,
You have.
again, I'm going to share this. Okay, got it.
Yes.
Okay. So please, first of all, try to this question and set the program of this question. Okay. It's very simple. Only two-digit number. We want to display in reverse.
So there must be a method that will reverse it, right?
No, no,
Like
no, 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 no,
built-in
no,
method.
no, 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 no.
I see.
Actually, we know only in JavaScript in simple operation and conditional statement. We
Okay.
don't know about any other methods or
Okay.
functions. Okay.
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 Okay, original 72. And reverse 27. Okay.
Yeah,
So actually, how it is possible? So we can check it.
I see.
Suppose we have a number. Suppose num is equal to 85. Okay.
Yep.
So num mod 10 is equal to num is 85 mod 10. Then it is equal to 5. Okay. So temp is
Yeah.
equal to 5. After that, num is equal to num minus 10. Num is 85
So,
minus 5 is equal to 80.
yes.
Okay. After that, num is equal to num upon 10. So the current value of num is 80.
80.
So 80
Yeah.
upon 10 is equal to 8.
8.
Okay. Then
8.
rev is equal to temp more temp into 10. The value of temp is 5.
Yeah.
Okay. So temp into 10 plus num. The current value of num is 8. So that is 58.
I
Okay.
see.
So that is the reverse of 85. So through this method, we can reverse the numbers.
Yes.
Okay. So same as you can
Yes.
try the other questions.
Yeah.
Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Richesh, Rohit,
Yes.
Suman, Jyoti. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I ask a question? Ask a
Yes.
question. You said that the message from the command line, do we need a Node.js to achieve this?
Sorry, I can't understand what I'm saying.
In this case that the assignment run, the question forces that read the message from the command line and print on the console.
You can write in chat
Question,
box. Hello, who is this? Please
Rohan,
write your please
Rohan.
write in chat box. No, no, no. Actually, you can actually. I think I have shared you first, second, three files. Please skip first page, first assignment. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, that is a different things. For that purpose, you can use a Node.js. Okay, but you don't know about Node.js. Okay. Currently, we are working on JavaScript, and JavaScript work only on the web browser. But suppose we want to execute JavaScript on command line, then we have need of Node.js. Okay, so you can skip
Yes.
the node command line programs because currently we are using JavaScript on web browser. If we want to use like React JS or Angular JS, then we can execute on these program on command line with the help of Node.js. Okay, Rohit. Hello.
Oh, okay.
You can execute the command line program on Node.js, but currently I'm working on JavaScript and we are executing the program on web browser. Okay. So please skip the question of through using command line.
Okay.
Okay, and we can also perform switch statement. Okay, so I'm going to create an example of switch statement. Switch is also work like as a if statement, and you can say this is a alternative of if statement, but it work only on integer values and character and string value. We cannot work on decimal value or real values. Okay, so mostly we use switch statement in like suppose we want work on menus wise, like here suppose this is a file menu, and if we click on new open save as, so which file will we execute at that time, we will use switch statement. So mostly we use the switch statement menu wise programs. Okay, so now I'm going to execute a simple example. Switch, suppose here now case one. Okay, now I'm going to try to execute this file. Is a J6. Suppose here I put 4, then showing here the user number is 4, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's showing all uh, from 4th, all values. So for this purpose, we use break statement. Okay. So here I input 3. Okay, number is the Wednesday, 5, Friday, 9. Invalid number. Okay, this is a simple example of switch statement. Okay, so now I'm going to, it's okay. Hello,
Okay.
other members.
Yes.
It's okay. It's a very simple example.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to create menu. Okay, so actually uh, switch is used for menu wise work. So here value, second values, after that we can create a menu. I'm trying to create a menu, subtraction, multiplication, division, user number, result is equal to num1 plus num2. Here it would be num1 and num2, num1, num2, and let me see, repeat it. Plus, minus, multiplication, and division. Okay, and after that we can show the output result. And here I'm going to declare variable result where result is equal to, now I'm trying to execute this program. So that is the JS7. JS7. Okay, first value 20, third value, again third value. Here you can see this menu, first, second, third. Suppose I want to perform addition, so I select 1, click on 1, that's a number. Okay, you can use this in a proper way. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, and here we can show the numbers. First number, second value. Come to number and first value. Okay, we show result. Okay, I'm going to try to execute this. First values 40, second values 20, and here give menu 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division. Enter a number from 1 to 4. Here I selected 3 and then click on OK. It will show first value, second value 800. 1 minute. We have need. We are your first values 50, second values 20. Here addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. I have selected 1. Ask for 2. Click on OK. Then first value 50, second value is 20. User number 12. User selection is 2. Output is 30. Because subtraction. It will show subtraction. Okay. So actually, if you want to perform menu-wise operation, so we prefer switch statement. Okay, if user will select 1, then it will execute addition. If select 2, then it will perform subtraction, otherwise multiplication or division. Okay. Hello. It's okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So please try to create the program of all assignment questions. Okay, on the basis of these programs, these examples.
Sure.
Any doubt, any queries on these questions?
Not now.
Okay, please try to write the program of questions. Okay, and try to execute these questions also. Okay, I'm sharing these examples. Please check it. Okay, and if you have any doubt, any queries, please share me.
Sure.
Please see, please check these questions. If you have any doubt, any queries, please put up your questions.
Do we have access for recordings?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, I will share you.